Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about the brush cleaning pad. This tool has been gaining popularity lately among makeup artists and beauty enthusiasts, and I'm excited to share with you all the details, pros and cons, and testimonials from users who have tried it out. So, let's get started. The brush cleaning pad is a small, silicone tool that is designed to clean your makeup brushes quickly and efficiently. It has various textures and patterns on its surface, which helps to remove makeup residue, oil, and dirt from the bristles of your brushes. The pad is compact, lightweight, and can be easily stored in your makeup bag or on your vanity. One of the biggest advantages of using the brush cleaning pad is that it is very easy to use. You simply wet your brush, apply a small amount of your favorite cleaning solution to the pad, and then gently swirl your brush on the textured surface until it's clean. The pad is also durable and can last for a long time with proper care. On the downside, some users have reported that the pad can be too small for larger brushes. Additionally, some people have found that it takes longer to clean their brushes with the pad compared to other cleaning methods. I asked some of my friends and fellow beauty bloggers to share their thoughts on the brush cleaning pad, and here are some of their testimonials. Jane, beauty blogger: I've been using the brush cleaning pad for a few months now, and I love it. It's so easy to use, and it really gets all the gunk out of my brushes. Sarah, makeup artist: I was a bit skeptical about the brush cleaning pad at first, but it really surprised me. It's much more effective than just using my hands or a towel to clean my brushes. Kim, beauty enthusiast: I like the brush cleaning pad, but it's definitely not perfect. It takes a bit longer to clean my brushes with it, and I sometimes have to go over the same spot multiple times. Overall, the brush cleaning pad is a useful tool to have in your makeup kit. It's not perfect, but it can definitely make your brush cleaning routine quicker and more effective. If you're looking for a compact and affordable brush cleaning solution, the brush cleaning pad might be a good option to consider. That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more beauty and makeup content. And as always, if you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.